Hi, welcome back. This is my second assignment, or second project, I guess, for this module. And we're just going to start right off and type in the search bar command. Command prompt will pop up. I'll just click that, and it gives us this little guy. I'm just going to make him a little bit bigger. So, what we want to do is do the first, well, we just did the first step. So we're going to do the second step, which is the ping. And with the ping, we're just testing out the IP address on my internet. So we're just going to type in ping space google.com. And that's what's coming up. It's just kind of doing a lap and testing my measurements and stuff. And now the second thing we're going to do is do the tracent. I'm just going to do in tracent here. Tracert. Let's say thing space google.com. Alright. I'm just doing the same thing. Testing to see how long it takes for the packets of information to travel around a short distance. This is longer than this distance. And you can see that the longest here was 38 to this address. Alright, it's complete. And now the last one is we will send it to London. So we will type in tracent again, tracert. Sorry, I keep messing that up. Tracert, and then we will say www.cityoflondon.gov.edu. Oops, not edu. UK. There we go. This might take a little while. Probably get some timeouts too. So far it's moving. Yeah, so what we're trying to do is we're just trying to reach a computer in London. You can see. Oh, there we go. A nice long time. It's going pretty far. Let's see, Los Angeles here, so looks like it's starting to time out. There we go. Getting it back. Thank you for hanging out with me while this is loading. And should probably be finishing up here pretty soon. Thank you for watching my videos. It's been a fun week, and I hope you enjoy your weekend. I'm just going to wait this out. If we wanted to, we could just do critical and command. But I'm kind of curious to see what happens. Yeah. Let's do that. Command. And have a great day.